Hey guys, Martin East here, NeaseDesign.com. I'm going to show you how to get your website online, the one that we created before in the previous tutorial. First and foremost, I made a mistake. This originally was called home, right here. You want to change that page to be index. The reason why is because if you go to a page and directs to a domain, the first page that your browser is going to track to is the index file. So you have to change that to index. Yeah, now re-export your file, which I've already done. Make sure that you deselect current page only and go ahead and re-export that. Now, sorry about the mistake, I screwed up, my bad. Okay, oh, when you exit, save your document, whatever. What we're going to do is to upload, I know people wanted to learn FTP and FTP clients. Well, I would be teaching that for PC and for Mac, so I thought, well, we can do this just as easily with the content management system provided. For FTP, I use CYBERDUCK. That's for Mac. For PC, there's a bunch of file transfer protocol options, but I'm going to show you the way to do it without getting another program and getting into all that. When you choose a host, it's often best, especially when you're starting up, to go with big guys like hostmonster. There's sites like fatcow.com. GoDaddy's a good host, from what I understand. Basically, what I'm telling you is, when you start, go with the big guys. They're doing all the work for you. I mean, they've got tons of one-click options here. It's cheaper. It's faster. You can get familiar with the stuff. If you're watching my tutorials, odds are you're getting familiar. You're a beginner with web design. So you want to start with something that's going to help you get your feet wet without like flooding you or traumatizing you with all the code. So yeah, go with these guys. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our file manager here. You click that, this comes up. I've made an edgy photography folder. Basically, if I type in NeaseDesign.com/edgy photography, that's the first page, or our home page for this example. You can see here it says index of. Basically that means there's nothing in the folder, and it's just telling us, there's nothing there. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload to that. And in every content management system, there's a file manager of some kind. They do this so that people that are new can go and upload files. But there's a problem with these, and this is what I'm going to show you how to get around them. They're one click at a time most of the time. That's why people use FTP. But there is a way around it. So let's just upload our first 4 pages using the standard practice here. You can click here to add another box. We're going to add one more, and then one more. Now add one more because we've got a ton of images here in our images folder. A ton of images. Now, to avoid that problem, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on our bottom image. We're going to shift, and this Mac or PC, you're going to hold shift, highlight all your images in your images folder, okay? You're going to right click, and you're going to compress. For PC, I believe you right click, go to send to, and then it's like a zip file, some form of zip. Yeah, it's on there on PC. You'll find it easy. Send to, compression, or compress it, or whatever. Compress the file. It's going to come up. You can actually name it on PC, I believe. It's going to come up as archive first, and then I've done this 2 times now, so archive 2. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload that file. That one file with all our images in it. It's going to go through fast because our images are small. Now, if you're handling big files, yeah, you want to get familiar with FTP clients. But for static pages, it's no big deal. Go ahead and do it this way. It's faster. See, it's almost already finished. And should be done any second. There we go, done. We're going to go back to our file manager. Go ahead and refresh the page. It doesn't auto-refresh or anything like that. There's our archive. What you're going to do is you're going to make a folder. Yeah, make sure you make a folder first. Call it images like we did on our linkage on our fireworks page. Don't call it something stupid like Imaggio, anything dumb. Images so it matches our linkage from our export, okay? Create the folder. There it is. Drag and drop our archives into the folder, like so. Double click, get into our images folder, right click, and extract. Like I said, if you're not using hostmonster, whatever, all the other hosting options out there will have this kind of stuff. But, like I said, go with the big guys. They do this work for you. Now, we're going to extract this stuff right here. There's all our stuff. Images done. and our website should be working. So yeah, let's refresh it. And as you can see, good as new. Yeah, I started doing a series on coding, so if you want to familiarize yourself with the actual code and not just kind of cheat in the system, which I'm going to further that as well if you like cheating. Yeah, there's other stuff too, to familiarize yourself with the code, HTML and CSS. This is the end of this tutorial. It's been a fun episode. I'll be back again tomorrow, as always, 5 days a week. So yeah, thanks for visiting my YouTube, visit my blog, nicedesign.com. Later.